Hi, welcome back. Or if you're just joining, my name is Maya, and welcome to my channel, Cranleyplace, where I'm focused on Hermès scarf style, inspiration, and more. Before we get started, let me give a shout out to all the channel members and special welcome to the knot connoisseurs and elegant insiders. I appreciate your ongoing support. If you haven't seen the membership options, please do check them out. In this video, I'll review a 70 centimeter silk twill from Hermès's Fall-Winter 2025 season called Illusion Exquise, created by the inimitable British illustrator Jonathan Burton. The scarf is a playful, surreal journey through imagination, blending whimsical characters, unexpected details, and the Maison's signature craftsmanship. We'll dive into the artist's background, uncover the playful and surreal inspiration behind the design, and take a close look at the colorways, predicting which ones collectors may be most likely to chase. Let's get started. Jonathan Burton is a British illustrator whose work blends classical craftsmanship with a delightfully surreal imagination. Born and educated in the United Kingdom, he earned his master's degree in illustration from Kingston University in London and began his professional career in the late 1990s. Today, he reportedly lives and works in Bordeaux, France, continuing to create imagery that feels at once timeless and entirely modern. Burton's artistic world is built on narrative and wit. His illustrations are richly detailed, often cinematic in their sense of composition and storytelling. There's always something happening, a small visual twist, a hint of humor, or a touch of absurdity that draws the viewer in. He has said that he loves to take the familiar and shift it slightly off balance, creating that moment of surprise where beauty meets the unexpected. Over the years, he has worked in many fields, from editorial and advertising to luxury and fine publishing. He's best known for his long collaboration with the Folio Society, where he has illustrated literary classics such as 1984, The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, and A Song of Fire and Ice. Each project showcases his signature approach, combining period authenticity with imaginative flair. His ability to merge the historical with fantastical gives his work a distinct voice, one that feels deeply rooted in tradition, yet unmistakably his own. Burton has also collaborated with brands like Hermès, obviously, Penguin Books, BAFTA, and the Royal Mall, as well as creative studios like Mondo. His contributions have earned international recognition, including awards from the Association of Illustrators in London, the Society of Illustrators in New York, and Communication Arts in the United States. Stylistically, Burton often draws inspiration from surrealism and classic printmaking, echoing styles like Magritte or Escher, but with a lighter, more playful touch. His compositions balance precision with whimsy, reflecting his meticulous process. Each idea begins as a hand-drawn sketch before being developed digitally, allowing him to manipulate light, layering, and movement with painterly control. What makes Burton's work so distinctive and what makes him such a natural fit for Hermès is his shared belief in the art of transformation. Whether he's illustrating a literary world or a silk scarf, he approaches the subject with the same curiosity. How can something ordinary become extraordinary through imagination? That question lies at the heart of his work, and it's what makes his illustration, including this scarf design that we're looking at, feel both enchanting and enduring. When Jonathan Burton created this design for Hermès, his inspiration came from the idea of transformation through imagination, a theme deeply tied to both art and the Hermès spirit. Burton, who's known for his surreal narrative illustrations, reinterprets the traditional Hermès world by looking at it through a lens of illusion, humor, and fantasy. At its heart, this design is about seeing familiar forms differently. He takes three classic Hermès archetypes, the craftsman, the knight, and the collector, and turns them into surreal mannequins that are half woman, half object. Each one represents a facet of Hermès' identity, the artisan's hands, the noble adventurer, and the passionate connoisseur. But instead of portraying them literally, he lets them merge with their tools. A hand becomes a head, a paintbrush transforms into a hair. In other words, the objects of the craft become part of them. And that's the illusion, a whimsical fusion between creator and creation, between fashion and fantasy. Burton's inspiration draws on the tradition of surrealism, artists like Magritte and Dali, where everyday objects are rearranged to challenge how we perceive reality. But here, that surrealism is softened with wit and elegance, in keeping with Hermès's sensibility and Burton's distinct voice. The design also reflects the Maison's broader fascination with the art of transformation, how something utilitarian like silk or leather can be turned into something extraordinary. And the scarf celebrates that process. The mannequins, though absurd and theatrical, represent the imagination and artistry that animate every Hermès piece. Color and movement play a big role in conveying this idea. The vibrant palette and rhythmic composition suggest energy, experimentation, and play. Shadows echo across the design, hinting that even the background participates in the illusion, a reminder that creativity isn't confined to one layer, but exists in the interplay between maker, material, and viewer. One of the things, of course, that makes Hermès scarves so captivating and so collectible is the variety of colorways that they release for any given design, and Illusion Exquise is a perfect example. Burton's whimsical, surreal motifs appear across several palettes, each giving the scarf a distinct mood and personality. On the one hand, there are the classic neutral colorways, the soft creams, beiges, or subtle grays. These tones highlight the intricate details, the shadows, the surreal elements like hands and paintbrushes, and the whimsical characters this artist has created. For collectors, these neutral versions are particularly appealing because they're versatile and timeless. They're scarves that can be worn in many ways and displayed beautifully without overwhelming an outfit or an interior space. Then there are the bolder, more saturated colorways, or high contrast, multicolored versions. These bring drama and visual impact, making the characters and playful details pop in a way that's immediately eye-catching. Collectors who want statement pieces, scarves that photograph well, catch attention, or stand out in a display often gravitate towards these colorways. If we think about which colorways will ultimately be most collected, the classic neutrals are likely to lead overall because of their enduring versatility and broad appeal. The bold, vibrant versions will always, however, have a strong following among those looking for visual drama, while any rare or region-exclusive editions could become the ultimate collector's prize over time. My personal favorites, the khaki, bleu, vieux rose, and the brun, corail, and gris. In the end, the variety of colorways not only celebrates the artistry of Jonathan Burton's design, but also creates layers of interest for collectors, from the wearable and versatile, to the striking and playful, to the rare and highly sought after. It's a strategy that keeps Hermès scarves both timeless and endlessly exciting to collect. What's your preferred colorway? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to follow for more Hermès scarf reviews and inspiration. Thanks again for joining me today. Until next time.